Hey everyone, meteorologist Rich Von Owen for Weather Express. Got a quick weather update here. Day before Christmas, going into the holiday. Now we got a winter storm watch up for western Suffolk, Nassau County, all the city, upstate New York. This is for Friday night, going throughout Saturday as we got some pretty active stuff coming in. We're quiet for now, though. I think Christmas Day should be fine. Most of Friday daytime will be fine, but it's Friday late afternoon and evening at night. We start to get all that energy coming in from the western states. Very active storm there, and a little peace breaks off and gives us that chance for some accumulating snow Friday night into Saturday. But Christmas Day is just cloudy, nothing too big, maybe a spritz or two. Most of Friday is dry, just kind of cloudy, and then that snow is going to start to kick in. We'll go high resolution here. 7 p.m. Friday, we should see some of the first flakes coming across Nassau and Suffolk, overspreading late at night, similar to the storm we had a few weeks ago. This one could linger right throughout Saturday, mid to late morning, early afternoon. A little bit of mixing and maybe some bad icing in New Jersey. We'll see if that pushes a little northeast across the island, but most of the indications are that it's not going to. It stays cold enough for a good dump in the snow here. 4 to 8 western side, 3 to 6 on the east end. Some higher amounts north and west towards the Hudson Valley, and a little less with the icing in the mix there across central New Jersey. Pretty bad there. Saturday afternoon, the storm starts to taper off and go south, and then we'll start to get a little milder, I think, for Sunday into Monday. That'll help to kind of slush things down and mush it away, but that big polar vortex is there across central northern Canada, and as long as that's spinning around with the blues, the purples, and everything you see there, we have opportunities for some pretty bad and quick cold shots coming in. But the Euro AI showing some signs that perhaps we get more into a west-southwesterly flow going into that first week of January. We'll see how things shake out. Be nice to get a break from some of the cold, some of the wintry weather, but until then, kind of touch and go. 30s and 40s, water temps certainly came down quite a bit. The western states still staying fairly mild throughout the first week of January, but for us, we get a good shot of snow. If it changes, I'll update you, but it looks like Friday night into Saturday, something we can shovel and plow. Sunday, at least we're in the 30s and some 40s on Monday. It'll slush things down a bit, but get it out of there because the ice box is back cold again for Tuesday and Wednesday, right before New Year's going into next week. So pretty active pattern continues, but at least Christmas Day after look fairly quiet. So be safe, have a wonderful holiday, Merry Christmas, and we'll see what happens with this storm Friday night into Saturday.